If you're looking for a low-stress solution for your garden bed, the TreeDiaper Garden Mat 24x24 could be the product for you. The TreeDiaper Garden Mat 24x24 is great for vegetable gardens with the added benefit of weed reduction. This absorbent mat is 24 by 24 inches and has 4 holes. It comes in packs of 2. If you prefer the natural look, you can always cover TreeDiaper with mulch. TreeDiaper is easy to prepare and install. Soak your TreeDiaper in water overnight or for 5 hours, then place it around your plants. You can also water your new TreeDiaper with a hose, although this method of charging is less efficient. Once your TreeDiaper is in place, natural rainfall will automatically recharge your TreeDiaper. You should check on it once every 2 weeks. On behalf of everyone at TreeDiaper, thank you for considering the TreeDiaper Garden Mat 24x24 for your next planting project.